Welcome, value hackers! Today, we're transforming your bedroom into a 5-star luxury suite, all for around $500. We'll cover everything from mattresses to linens, pillows, and more. Check out the Amazon links below for all the items we mention. Whether you want a luxurious bedding experience for yourself or you're hosting Airbnb guests, our step-by-step guide will have everyone melting blissfully into slumberland. Let's get started. First, let's talk mattresses. The mattress industry is a multi-billion-dollar behemoth, with some retailers charging thousands. It's like buying a timeshare, but without the tropical cocktails. Ditch those old spring mattresses. They're like an unreliable friend who promises comfort but delivers back pain. Our solution? A foam core mattress that ships conveniently in a box. Firm, comfy, and unlike your favorite TV show, it won't fall apart after a few seasons. Our top pick is a 12-inch off-brand mattress from Amazon, priced around $300. Link below. Next up, the Mattress Protector. This is the unsung hero of your bedding setup, ensuring your mattress stays pristine. Let's face it, life happens. Spills, pets, midnight snacks gone wrong. Our pick is around $40 for a king size on Amazon. Link below. Now, let's add a little luxury, the padded mattress topper. This plush layer is like adding whipped cream to your hot chocolate, essential and indulgent. Our recommended topper is priced around $40 for a king size on Amazon. See the link below. Next, sheets. This is where the magic happens. We're recommending 2 options. One for when you want to treat yourself, and one that's perfect for Airbnb hosts. Both are luxury microfiber. The more luxurious option is the Jennifer Adams home line from Costco.com for around $90 for a king set. Our budget-friendly pick is $25 on Amazon. These sheets are so soft, you'll feel like you're sleeping on a cloud made of marshmallows. Link below. Now, let's talk comforters. The right comforter depends on your climate, but we've got a versatile $25 option from Amazon that strikes the perfect balance between warmth and comfort. Link below for the king-size option. A comforter without a cover is like a superhero without a cape. We recommend this duvet cover from Amazon, currently offered at $22 for a king size. It'll keep your comforter clean and looking sharp. Link below. Finally, let's complete the setup with pillows. We recommend a set of jumbo size and a set of king size pillows from Costco.com. Each set is around $25. These pillows are so fluffy, you'll feel like you're resting your head on a cloud. And there you have it, a luxurious bed setup fit for royalty, all for around $500. Enjoy your night's sleep and wake up feeling like you just spent the night at a 5-star resort. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on creating affordable luxury in your home. Sweet dreams, value hackers.